Joins us for a lovely story on a lovely What are you doing?
I've got it right here. Okay, I've got it right here. Okay, it was supposed to be done. It was supposed to be done. Right.
Workplace health and safety isn't a game. And unfortunately, in the worst cases, you don't get another go if you stuff it up. It's been said that the total number of people killed in work-related accidents, plus those that die due to work-related illnesses, far exceeds the national road toll. Another tragic statistic is that on average, compensated workplace deaths occur at almost one person every single working day. Think about it. That's one person, just like you, got up this morning to go to work and didn't return home. That's why you're hearing so much talk about safety in the media and doing safety training at work. It's in everyone's best interest that you always put safety first. And looking after your safety isn't just your organisation's responsibility. You share it. Stop and think about your work tasks before you do them. Don't take shortcuts. And look out for yourself, but also the people working around you. Immediately after the video finishes, this DVD menu will appear. Select Toolbox Summary and each of the following screens are activated with a press of the OK button on your DVD remote control, or mouse click if you're playing from a PC. With the purchase of your DVD package, you will receive trainer support notes. In them, you are given numerous ideas to prompt discussion on each of these points.